Hey guys, James Harris of Southside Dents and Cosmetics here, and I've got something a little different for you today. Not so much content on the repair process, but something a little bit different. Just wanted to tell the story of this car. So I wasn't planning on making a video of this repair. However, after I finished, I was talking with the customer, and he said that he had called 3 different companies, so me and 2 of my competitors, and the other 2 companies wouldn't even come out and check out his car or attempt the repair. And as you can see from the photo on the left side of this, the dent is relatively difficult. It's not the easiest dent in the world to fix, but it is something that almost any PDR technician should be willing to take on. Full disclosure, this didn't come out totally perfect. You can see a little bit of texture on that body line, but the customer was really happy with it, and it's a night and day difference. So here's really what I wanted to say and why I wanted to make this video. If you're a small business owner, you have such a high competitive advantage over your competition if you're willing to just say yes to the stuff that they say no to. They could say no for any number of reasons. Either the job isn't a layup or it's a little bit further out there. Whatever the case is, someone out there doesn't want to do it, and if you're willing to do it, people will allow you the opportunity. And if you're a potential customer, whether it's in the dent repair industry or really any industry, which kind of company do you want to work with? Do you want to work with the older guys that are a little bit lazier and just want the layup jobs? Or do you want someone that's going to come out that's young and hungry and wants to be in whatever industry it is for a long period of time, that you know that in 3, 5, 7 years, they're still going to be around, they're going to remember you, and they're going to want to work with you again? So if you're in the Hampton Roads area and you're in one of these further out areas like Suffolk, Williamsburg, Yorktown, something like that, and you need something done to your vehicle, I hope that we hear from you soon. If you're a small business owner, I hope that you saw this and you were a little bit inspired to go out there and go after it and take on the work that no one else is willing to do. If you're a potential customer, I really hope that we hear from you soon. We do our very best on every single repair that we do. We try to deliver a high level of customer service, regardless of where you are and regardless of how difficult the work is. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope to hear from some of you guys soon.